Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. Today, I'd like to tell you about this 1985 Jaguar Vanden Plas. The color is silver sand metallic with ivory leather interior. This vehicle has history out west, came from Colorado and California. Super solid body, really nice. Underneath is very solid. This is not a car that's been rusty and doctored up. It's always been solid. It's got the original wheels on it. Goodyear tires. The body's in nice shape. It's not dinged up, scratched up. The paint doesn't shine like brand new, but it's a 1985 and looks pretty darn good for its age. The chrome's real nice. Beautiful interior. The Vanden Plas has different seats and some other interior trim upgrades. It has special wood compared to the standard XJ6. Power moonroof, or excuse me, sunroof. The headliner's excellent. All the doors, everything is very, very solid. The rockers. Has the original books. I've got workshop manuals in the trunk, and I believe I got a binder with all the service records. The Vanden Plas even has special floor mats, as well as the rear climate control. Here's another look at the headliner. They even have special reading lights. Here's the look at the wood grain again. It's got the original matching spare toolkit and manuals. It's got even a telescoping steering wheel, adjustable telescoping. Oil pressure gauge, amp gauge, temperature, and that's the fuel gauge. You have two fuel tanks on this vehicle. The dash is really nice. Chrome's great. And one of the best things about this vehicle, it's had about over $8,000 invested in just the mechanical upkeep recently. Lots of new parts, rebuilt transmission, rebuilt rear end, exhaust has been gone through, seals on the engine, air conditioning, alternator. Just we have a whole list of things. So very well maintained, and that was very recent. If you're local, I would urge you to come see this vehicle, and I think you would be impressed with it. So a lot of car for the money, and great classic Jaguar. And you can take it to shows, take it out for dinner. Just a lot of fun for a fairly inexpensive classic. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope to hear from you.